Yeah, because I think what you misunderstand a little bit for you. Zachary. Just the problem is you, because I know what you're trying to do. You try to use like a body weight, right? Like rocking, but still, it's approach is not good. Your approach always should be on your partner. You have to understand it. Like, or if you dance with the partner, you approach on your partner. So forget about yourself for a second. And first, let's say if she's doing opening out, she's going back, then she replays forward, then she delays forward. Let's say just till this point. So this will be a miracle if you can do this with her and lead her. So basically what she needs to understand, first of all, how to do delay. So you drive your body weight forward, leg, then you release. You know, here you have to really, the first you need to know that this is delay, meaning delay means I really push my body weight forward and I send it back. Yeah, send it back as I point my foot. Because normal rumba walk, it's normal rumba, not delay rumba walk. It's you go split weight position, now you drive your spine forward when the hip finishing, then your spine continue forward as your hip rotates and you go for the next. That's normal walk. But you have a delay. So delay means you're not gonna step. Means you wanna point. But as you point, you don't want to stop your spine. So you're gonna rock your spine very much forward and very much back. And that's where you come in. Yeah. Forward and back. Like even I do with you, you see it's a little bit not comfortable. So you have to encourage me and return me back. And you see now I'm hanging on you. And this is where you can start engaging your body weight for this. Are you trying like to do it by yourself and she's still doing normal walks, not a delay walk? So it doesn't work this way. So you have to go here. Now you have to encourage her, maybe with a body, womb, send her back. Yeah, womb. And then cheek. Now you see, okay, this is the same here. So you have to... So this is not an easy process. Womb, you have to maybe give arm for now. You see, encourage, send back, womb, change. Here, encourage, send back, womb. And only from here, you see now, yeah, no. Yeah, no. That's not real. Yeah, you have to, no. Watch, when I take your spine forward, I mean, this is not easy to follow this. This is a very high level knowledge. So how to do delay? Let's say we agree we're going to do delay. Later on, you can feel it. So delay means you're going to fall forward without stepping. It feels very extreme. Yeah, you're doing this. You're getting good here, and then you're collecting leg by yourself. Not a good idea. So you need with your body weight, and with your whole energy and your connection, encourage her to get here. Now you have to send her back. And then flip her for the next. Womb. So this is where your rocking come in. You understand? Yeah. And then you encourage your rocking to support that lead. I think myself too much. Are you by yourself? You're doing, because you see somebody is doing body weight. When you by yourself, again, you can do it, but you don't really have to do it, because when you're by yourself, you more care about the overall movement. You don't have to really, do this. But the magic happens when you start leading with those. So first you have to understand what your partner is doing, and kind of of course, ideally she knows this too. So you see, I'm not dancing at all. Just encourage her here, sending her back. Now I would maybe spend time. So she hangs on my hand, so I can flip her womb. Yeah, womb, and a 3, and 2, and a 3, and no, two son.
I'm too worried about
Yeah, no leg for you. Body weight is a different type of dancing. Body weight, no leg. In your leg is now. That was too late. Yeah, no, that's too early.
Okay.
Watch. So you have to study. Let's say, if I walk, I want to do delay walk. So I'm getting on the split weight. I get myself over. Now, as I send my spine back, that's where I'm pointing. Now it's delay. You can do delay by yourself. You can do delay by yourself. You can do rumba walk, delay walk.
But it's usually led by the partner, right?
No, you could do yourself too.
Okay.
So delay walk we use for what?
Stay.
For speed.
Speed. Okay.
So if you want to do something fast, we're going to do delay walk. For example, there is a delay backward, there is delay forward. Let's say if I start with her like this, and I want to go just normal, right? So there is no delay. But now I want her to go faster. So therefore, I keep the same, you see, I'm delaying her, boom. The same here, let's say, I can just hip twist her and she's going to walk, or I can really delay her here, boom, and I'm sending her back, into acceleration. So delay walk you use for what?
Certain moments. Speed.
For the speed, to make it faster, right? Because if you just look in normal, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2. But you didn't do your leg, of course.
A little bit
Yeah. So when you do, let's say, delay walk on the opening out, it's better to do on one side, not 2 times. Because it's for the speed, right? You don't want to go too fast. But then you need to study delay walk. So basically, how to study it. You get a wall, you get yourself here, no leg. Now, the second you start sending yourself back, you're pointing that foot and you're hanging behind. You have to use hook. Yeah, and there's a lot of physical connection. And here better. You can do a sort of delay here to kind of like just to help yourself. But the real one will be on this side. When
you start hanging back, the foot comes forward.
Not hanging back. When you start sending your spine back.
The second you move back.
Yeah. The second you move back, you see already bend your knee. So now I'm like hanging back, a little bit back weighted to speed up. But then you have a physical connection.
Let's try.
So this is a subject of delay walks, in essence. And 2 and 3. But did you want to do delay or no?
I do delay.
You want to do delay. So maybe use this hand a little bit because she has to get used to it. Cheek. No, 2 hands.
Okay.
Cheek. So you have to send her womb, send her back, feel her, and then... No. Okay, here.
Okay, same.
Just, yeah. Dance like opening out, but just can use a little bit like a wall to help her till she gets idea.
Okay.
Till you feel each other.
I was doing this position.
Yeah, but first also, before delay, do first a normal opening out as well. Just normal. 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3. And so here already, I think you should do a small delay already.
Okay.
Because you have a turn, so it's much easier 2 and 3 to turn from here than to turn from here. Yeah, so you want already, let's say if you did it by yourself, 2 and 3 and, you see, you would do something like that, right?
Yeah.
You don't, it's not really a rumba walk, it's more like a crossing delay, just kind of like, it's not as extreme as later gonna be. So you already want to do delays there. But
even in the slow one?
No, this is not a slow one. This is a regular speed. There is nothing slow. But it's like, he's not gonna lead that, but you're gonna do it. Because when you dance, you can throw delays whatever you want. So actually, he doesn't need to always lead delays. You can do delay, like don't lead me delay, just walk through me. I'm delaying. Don't lead delay. I'm delaying. Lead me already. Lead me. I'm delaying. Got it? You see, I'm throwing delays.
I like it. I don't even like tell.
Right.
Yeah. So you can throw delays whenever you want. Yeah, but here just do just a tiny one in a normal rhythm because it's just easier to do for this particular step. And 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, already better. Yes, 2 and isn't it better to turn? And then flip. Can you flip? 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3, 4. 2 and 3, 4. Yeah.
Great. I feel I'm leading.
Yeah. and 2 and 3, cross, 2 and 3, 4, 2, use your own speed, 2 and 3, yeah, and do, look for the arm also, so I'm sorry. So you have a 2 and 3, go for the second circle there, and go 2 and 3, to my arm, 3, and again go for second circle, like a wing. And now swing this and your head behind him.